Hi guys, welcome to Year Wonderland. Today I'm with my friend Lorena and Cole.
Hello.
So I'm gonna ask how many Konglish words they can guess. Are you ready?
Ready.
Alright.
Yeah? Okay. Let's get started. The first one. Handle.
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 I'm gonna guess handle, like a door handle.
Similar.
Similar.
Yeah.
Like bike?
Bike handle.
Yeah, it's similar, but it is like part of a car.
Like for the door.
No.
Like the stick shift?
No.
Oh,
Almost.
the wheel.
Yeah, steering wheel. Right?
Okay, the steering wheel. Okay.
Steering wheel. Yeah, because for us, wheels it sounds like just wheel, you know,
Okay.
a part of wheel. So we call it handle.
Handle.
Handle. Thank you, handle.
Yeah.
And the next one, Glamour.
Glamour, like glamorous.
Glamour.
Living a glamour life.
No. For example, if a woman has like big boobs and nice butt, then we say like, oh, she's glamour.
She's
She's
okay.
She looks like some of the women magazines. Like, oh, what is that where it came from?
Kind
The,
of.
like, context.
Glamour, like sexy.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
curvy body.
Curvy body.
Yeah, curvy
Kardashian.
body. Yeah. We say glamour. She's glamour. Yeah. 저 여자 진짜 글래머다. Like this. Okay, so the next one. Skin.
Skin.
Yeah,
Skin.
Yeah,
Skin.
this skin. But
What can it mean?
so it's like, for example, I apply skin after washing my face.
Makeup?
It's
Like your new
cosmetic
face?
stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, cosmetic stuff.
Cosmetics.
Yeah.
Okay.
Would it be like moisturizer?
Toner?
Yeah, it's toner.
toner.
Yeah, toner. We call it skin.
Oh,
So
okay.
you can't guess it, right?
No.
No, never?
No.
Okay. And the next one is meeting.
A meeting, like, let's meet up or
Yeah,
get together.
kind of similar,
Meeting.
but it's more like romantic stuff.
Like a date? Like going out for
Yeah,
a
date,
date?
Okay.
but it's like, so for example, oh, this guy is really cute. Can you introduce him to me?
Like a
that.
setup.
Yeah, like set up, like blind date. This is blind date.
Blind date.
Yeah, there are some words which are originated from this word, meeting. For example, 소개팅.
Sogeting?
Yeah, 소개 is Korean word, but 소개 means introduction. I think 소개팅 is more used than
Than
meeting.
meeting.
Yeah, 소개팅 is also blind date. And there is another word, 꽈팅.
Guating?
Yeah, 꽈 is also a Korean word, and 꽈 means major.
Major.
So 3 girls from like business administration major and 3 guys from electricity and electronics major, like that, and then they meet up and then they like hook up or
Such
something.
a
It's
specific
like a meeting.
word.
No, yeah.
Guating?
꽈팅, but we do it a lot.
Wait,
And
does
when-
it have to be engineering and business?
No. Just for example. Just for
Oh,
example.
okay.
And I did this several times when I was a freshman.
Okay.
It's really common.
Okay.
Do you guys want to do 꽈팅 this Saturday? And then some girls are like, I'm down. And then we meet up and then, oh, what's your name? And blah blah blah, and flirt with each other and drink. And I don't know. Next one is hunting.
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 Hunting. Like,
hunt.
okay, so killing and hunt.
Yeah.
But I'm sure that's not what that means.
Yeah.
Hunting. So like you're hunting for a husband. Like looking for
That's similar. So like, are you gonna
hunting for boyfriend this week?
Yeah. So how can I call it in English? Maybe like, for example, like when we drink and then like random guys just come up to us and then can I buy you drink or can I ask your number or
Flirting.
Flirting, hitting on somebody.
hitting on-
I
Yeah,
guess.
hit on or like pick up or
Trying to pick somebody up.
or like hook up. Yeah, hook up is more than that.
after.
And next one is consented.
It's either concert or consent.
Consent, like
Consent.
CONCENT.
I'm only thinking of consent.
Yeah.
To connect something with electronic stuff.
Like to plug something in?
Yeah,
Oh, consent?
yeah.
Okay.
How can I say it in English?
Outlet.
Yeah, outlet.
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 Oh, okay.
Oh, so
Ah.
you call it outlet?
Outlet.
Yes.
Consent.
You don't use this
Consent.
word, consent?
No.
No, not at all.
No.
When I was traveling in Europe, in London, I was looking for outlet and I couldn't find one. So I just asked people like, do you know where consent is? Everyone was like, what is consent? Like, you mean concert? And I was like, no. And the next one is 추리닝.
Tuning. I think
Tuning.
training.
Yeah,
Practicing.
it's from training. It's
Or like.
clothes. Like I wear 추리닝
Oh,
before
okay.
I go for a job.
Oh, I'm thinking tracksuit. Like a tracksuit.
Tracksuit. We call
Just
it
workout
추리닝.
clothes.
Just workout
Yeah,
clothes.
workout
Oh,
clothes,
Workout clothes. Okay.
Either you wear leggings or just running shorts.
And the next one is NG.
Engine.
NG.
N.
NG.
Yeah.
NG.
NG.
Something, because N in Korean is no. So maybe it's
Oh.
know something.
Mhm.
NG.
Yeah. N is no. NG is almost there.
NG is.
For example, this is like the scene when actor makes a mistake, and then the director can say like cut. This is NG.
Okay. NG.
Yeah, NG. N is no, and G is good. So
Okay,
no
so
good. Yeah, no
Like,
good.
and you know. But
No good scene. NG.
Uh,
NG 장면.
it's-
And the next one is spec.
Spec.
Yeah, spec.
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 Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
SPEC. Spec.
Spec.
Yeah, spec.
Maybe special.
Special.
Spec.
Very tiny.
Like,
Your
for
microscope.
example, you are qualified for the job, or like you are competent enough to get the job. Like that spec. Like your spec is good.
Your resume, your experience, your.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's similar. So this word is from specification, but I think
Okay.
qualification is
Qualification,
better than specification, right? Like if you can speak like 3-4 languages, and if you are qualified for the job,
Yeah,
and
we
fit
would
in
just
the
say
position,
qualified.
then- yeah, qualified.
You're better
Yeah.
qualified.
It's just
for the
used for
job.
professional setting.
No,
You're
it
gonna
is
say
just
that like,
for
oh, that guy means when you're going hunting. Like that means my spec.
No, it's
No,
different.
okay, you said
It's
okay.
usually for a job.
Okay.
Okay, so that's pretty much I prepared for today. And
Alright.
thanks for watching the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Thank you.